This area was a very multi-purpose area. It already had the AstroTurf down on the floor. It's used for school assemblies, it's used for sports, it's used for gatherings through the course of the year, but it did not have a cover. So it was restricted to the amount of time we could use it. We'd already been a client with Shade Systems who'd put in some shade sails on our playgrounds, and we'd had a really positive experience of using Shade Systems. And so when we had a number of quotes done for this particular facility, the Shade Systems price was amazingly competitive. The service is fantastic. In both projects we've had with Shade Systems, the personal touch is there, and for us that's really important. People that we deal with through Shade Systems are always available, are always very personable, are always very honest. They deliver on promises, which was important to us on both projects. On this project, the communication was outstanding throughout. We were regularly in contact with Shade Systems, whether it be email or personally or telephone contact. We always felt we were going along with a partner along the way. Deadlines are very clear, and what's expected, to be done or completed by what dates and times. And the only time that it wasn't that case was when they finished early, which was a really lovely surprise. We've now got a site where we're able to use year round. It's given us an additional covered space. We can now hold our assemblies and throughout the year despite the weather. And we've got great plans to do a number of our functions outside now. Without reservation, we'd recommend Shade Systems. Quality of their product, first and foremost. And being able to tailor that product to our needs. The level of planning that went into a product like this, went into our shades over the playground, and Shade Systems being with you along the way, offering suggestions where needed, but listening and being perceptive enough to develop products that meet our needs. And just the people that you deal with, you feel get to know you to the extent that they're meeting the best interests and the best needs of our school.